Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's first head over and create in here a new project. So let's allow CapCut to access our device, and we have in here our video. So I'll head over and add this particular video right here and click on this add button. And then from in here, it will load and it will show me this. So if I want to blur a part of the video, just hover to the part of the video that you want to actually blur. And then from in there, scroll into this. So let's try to scroll into this until you can see in here some options related to that. So you can choose in here some overlay, as well in here some effects. So if you click on this effects right here, you can see some video effects, photo effects, and all that. When you click on the video effects, you can see in here some changing effects, for example. So in here, you can search in here for blur. And then from in there, just search in here for that. And then just select the blur thing. So let's select blur right here. And then let's just head over and then select it right there. And as you can see, a part of the video has been blurred. So in here, when I head over to the part of the video that isn't blurred, you can see that some of them are blurred where some of them are not. So just input this particular video effect into where you want to put it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.